Hey guys! I bet you thought we were done with health scares, but whooping cough and norovirus are making a comeback.
These aren't just annoying illnesses. They can be serious, especially for kids, older adults, and people with weaker immune systems.
Now, why is this happening? Well, we've gotten a bit lazy with our cleanliness habits. Here's the science. Norovirus can survive on surfaces for days, and whooping cough spreads through tiny droplets in the air.
But don't panic, we've got some cool data-backed strategies. First, if you're feeling sick, get checked out ASAP. Whooping cough cases have spiked by 30% since last year, so don't ignore those symptoms.
Next, wash your hands like a pro 20 seconds with soap. Kills 99.9% of germs.
So boost your immune system and be in health. It's our best defense. Remember, one person with norovirus can infect up to 14 others.
So let's use our science smarts and stay healthy.